Simplify. Correct to three significant figures. 0.0023 times 0.577. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to multiply 0.0023 by 0.577 and correct our answer to three significant figures. So we will begin by multiplying 0.0023 by 0.577. 0.0023 times 0.577 will give us 0.00132271. We will have to correct this number to three significant figures. In this number, the first significant figure, that is the first non-zero number, is 1. The second significant figure is 3, and the third significant figure is 2. The number after the third significant figure is 7, and 7 is more than 5, and so we will add 1 to 2. When we add 1 to 2, that will give us 3. So it means that when we correct this number to three significant figures, we will have 0.00133. When we look through the options, the correct option is option C, 0.00133.